Hey guys, Greg Secker here. Well, listen, I've got something absolutely first class, top drawer, hilarious to share with you. A few weeks ago, I launched a video called The 5 Biggest Forex Scams, What to Be Aware of, What to Look Out For, and I appreciate all the great comments we got back. However, we did get one interesting comment on the channel from a gentleman by the name of Jason Graystone, and his comment was, how do you sleep at night? Now, I know who Jason is. He's a Forex educator, and he's been to some of our courses, and he knows some of the people that have worked for me in the past. I thought that was an interesting comment, and my team decided to dig into his YouTube channel a little bit deeper. Off the back of that weird comment, here's what we discovered. Now you'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen is my original content that I created back in 2014, and then 2 years later, here is the content that Jason created. Or should I say, copied. In the currency markets, there's two players in the game. There's the dumb money and there's the smart money.
Now there's two types of players in the currency market. You've got the smart money and you've got the dumb money.
To put that into context, if you took all the stock markets in the world and shrunk them into a swimming pool, the currency market, by contrast, is many Atlantic Oceans. It is gigantic.
And to put that into context, if you took all of the stock markets in the world and compressed them into a swimming pool, then the currency market, by contrast, is many Atlantic Oceans. It's gigantic.
As the chart starts to break out and starts to move, the uninitiated, emotional-driven retail investor starts to say to himself, oh, the market's starting to move here, and might call up his mate and say, well, it's starting to move, I think we should get in. Now his mate might say to him, well, you know, it may just be a false move, we need to really see if the move is sustained. So a day or two later they see that the move is in play and they say, look, it's moving, we're going to miss out. So they get in.
As the chart begins to rally, the emotionally driven investor will look at this and say, oh, here we go, I'm going to make some money. I'm going to make some money here. And he'll ring up his friend and say, hey, listen, look, I think it's going to rally. I think we should get involved. And his friend might say, well, it could just be a false breakout. You know, we should maybe just wait to see if the move's sustained first. So they wait a couple of days and it continues to rally. And they say, look, it's moving. We're going to miss out. So they get in.
The move's already happened, so you're going to get flung around. You have no safe place to put your stop loss. Where would you place your stop loss on this chart?
The move's already happened. We've entered the market at very high volatility. You're just going to get flung around. You have no safe place to put stops. Tell me, where would you put your stop in this chart?
So, with a little tongue-in-cheek, Jason, here's straight back at you, caught you out, nicking my content, trying to pretend you're something you're not. Well, the truth is now out there. I'm not grumpy. I actually find it the highest form of flattery that you copy my content and then have a poke at me on my YouTube channel. So, Jason, you win this month's award for the individual who rips off the most original content. Jason, congratulations.
Here we go, I'm going to make some money.
So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. A bit of fun for me and my team today whilst we're in the studio. I hope you guys take it in the spirit it was intended. And let's get back to the channel with some real and more original content from yours truly.